morning, guys. Welcome to Wow KA05. So this time we are going to Yelagiri, and so our starting point is also different because we are heading to Tamil Nadu this time. So we are currently at the Bharat Petroleum at Electronic City. So we are expected to leave by 6 a.m. We are trying to leave early today because of the summer season and the Karnataka Bandh as well. So yeah, currently just waiting on other riders and then we'll start our journey.
The riders had arrived. Reflectors handed out like party favors. Then came the all-important briefing. Basically, a crash course on how not to crash. And finally, the flag off. We waved them off like proud parents sending their kids to summer camp. Except these kids were on roaring motorcycles. We hit the road and cruised for about 20 kilometers. And just like that, boom! Welcome to Tamil Nadu. Our tummies started growling, but the breakfast point was still 30 kilometers away. Oh, and guess what? Karnataka had declared a bandh that day. So instead of open roads, we got traffic, protests, and a whole lot of honking. Basically, it was less road trip vibes and more bumper to bumper banding. So finally, after riding out, we have reached our breakfast point. The restaurant name is Ghar Ka Khana by Farm Weather. So we are around 50 kilometers away from our starting point. We have reached our breakfast point before time. And from here, Krishnagiri is around 50 kilometers more. So it should not take much time to reach there. We will have our breakfast now and then leave. So after demolishing a delicious South Indian breakfast, and yes, we are talking about a huge dosa, it was time to hit the road again. Luckily, the highway gods were kind. We got smooth 6-lane roads stretching ahead like a dream. We cruised along until it was time for a quick regroup, because even adventurers need a where's everybody else moment.
So riders, we are about 30 kilometers away from our stay. We have just taken a regrouping halt over here. The roads are so good, 6-lane highway throughout. We are maintaining a good speed and we are expecting to reach our stay by 11:30, I think. Let's see.
God grace, today weather is also supporting us. There is not so much sunny, so we are not feeling that much hot, but now it's little bit started, so we are providing water to the riders, and another maximum 145 minutes because there is a small ghat section. It's a 7 hairpin bends. After crossing that, we will reach our property. See you soon. After 1 hour, we'll keep you updated. Bye.
And then we headed towards the famous ghat section of Yelagiri. Twisty roads, sharp hairpin bends, and epic views. This stretch is a rider's dream and a pillions roller coaster ride. 11 hairpin bends in total, each one giving us a reason to lean, smile, and occasionally yell, "Hell yeah!"
So guys, we have finally entered the Yelagiri Ghat section. So this ghat is known for its twisties and turns, which we will be experiencing right now. So we'll be going up to the second or third turn and then we'll fly our drone to get a bird's eye view of this ghat. So be ready for some cinematic shots.
So after crossing the beautiful ghat sections, we have reached our destination, that is Hill Fort Hotels and Resort. Now our plan is that we will check in, allot the rooms and take rest, have lunch. After that we will head to Uncle Barney's, Selfie Panda's chocolate factory. Rooms allotted. Check. What next? We ditched our riding jackets, jumped straight into the pool like it was mission critical. Post swim hunger hit hard, so lunch was devoured like we hadn't eaten in days. Only then did we actually take a moment to check out our room. Priorities, right?
So welcome to our room, guys. So we have given all the riders a similar room. So this time we have gone for a twin sharing premium room. We have AC as well, and
Here you can see the AC.
and you can see that this room has been inspired from like a palace. Basically, you can see the vintage look, vintage kind of bed, almiras and everything, but it has some modern touches as well. You get all the basic amenities. The room size
Hello.
is huge.
And you can see the washroom. Good for one night stay. Satisfied. 5 out of 5.
It's not good for one night stay, it's amazing.
Yeah.
Like you can't beat this. हाँ छुइए छुइए सुरेश सर को राइडिंग जर्सी पुरस्कृत किया जाता है.
After that, we handed out some goodies and headed straight to the Yelagiri boat house.
Thanks for
From
joining our
throttle
party,
to
madam.
tranquil in no time.
हाँ भैया, हम लोग बहुत दूर से चल के आए हैं. यहाँ पे जो है ना, यहाँ बोटिंग किया जाता है. आप देखिए उसका जो टाइमिंग है 9:30 से 5:30.
15 मिनट ही
बहुत बड़ा, बहुत जरूरी बात है. यहाँ ड्रंक एंड पीपल नॉट अलाउड है भैया. तो दारू वारू पी के कोशिश मत कीजिएगा अंदर घुसने का, समझे ना, नहीं तो कूटे जाओगे.
समझे समझे
समझे
पहले जाओ.
समझे.
का बुझबे हो भाई, हम तो
जेल में डाल दिले हो.
ಸರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಳ್ಳ ಸರಿ ನೀವು ಪೆಡ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹಾಂ
What was supposed to be a calm paddle boating session quickly turned into a full-on fun fest. Laughter, leg pulling, and yes, recreating those iconic Instagram trends like those.
रिवर्स गियर कैसे लगाते हैं? As promised by Wonders on Wheels, 24/7 ride support.
डोसा, इडली, सांभर, चटनी चटनी. डोसा, इडली, सांभर, चटनी चटनी.
How was the boating experience?
राइड अपडेट
कहाँ पहुँचे हम लोग?
सेल्फी पांडा
Came to Selfie Panda.
there's a panda here and one more panda is barking coming
So guys, I've got a couple of sprinklers here. So first we need to wear this and the gloves. Got some sprinklers and I've got a mold. So I just pour the chocolate in it and then wait for 10 minutes. It gets freezed and then it's good to go.
Thank you, sir.
After boating, we headed to Selfie Panda Chocolate Factory, a place full of fun activities. We tried our hand at chocolate making, enjoyed some ATV rides, and just had a great time overall. Later in the evening, we wrapped up the day by watching RCB's match on the big screen. And yep, they won. A chill end to a fun-filled day.
ಬಟ್ ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಮೋಕರ್ಸ್ ನ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ ಸ್ಮೋಕರ್ಸ್ ನ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ
Good morning, Rustik. Morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
So, how was your pleasant morning?
It was good.
Good only?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looking at their reaction, we can make what is unpleasant.
We came for the sunrise view, but unfortunately, there's a notice from the forest department. They are not allowing trekking till April because it causes fires in the forest due to the dryness. So we already hopped up, I think, more than 500 meters. So everybody is disappointed now. So we will plan to trek nearby within 10 to 15 minutes. Then we will wind up.
Secrets I keep, let the world just fade away. You're all I need. Can it just be us tonight? No one can see.
Although the trek didn't happen, we made the most of it. Clicked some fun group photos and then headed back to our stay for a casual game of cricket. Because when plans change, the good vibes don't have to.
ये सब तो रन ही नहीं है तो रन आउट कहाँ से ये चीटिंग है
कहाँ आए हैं हम लोग?
यहाँ पर फन भी होगा और डूरा भी होगा सोचना होगा पहले फन होगा डेरा होगा
Varieties of birds, varieties of animals. See the garden full boxes.
We will even pet the animals if possible.
Yes, we will pet some chonks today. Let's go. Big boy.
कलर वीडियो देखो दुकान लगा
अरे वाटरफॉल देखो, वाटरफॉल छोटा सा वाटरफॉल ठंडा रहते अंदर मछली भी है। This is Brahma from USA. Huge.
We spent a little time at the bird park, soaked in the sights, and then rode out.
So after covering around 60 kilometers, we are somewhere near Krishnagiri. Currently we travel through NH48. The road conditions is superb. It is 6 lane. You can easily cruise at 100 kilometers per hour. Now our lunch point is around 10 kilometers from here, so it should take around 15-20 minutes. Currently we are having a regrouping halt. We are waiting for the tail enders to come. After that we'll proceed to our lunch point.
After a delicious lunch, we wrapped up the ride near Boma Sandra. Tired, happy, and already planning the next one.
It was nice meeting you. Yeah. Chalo, take care.
Same